Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your SmartBird Feeder camera app isn't working, it can stop you from viewing live video, receiving motion alerts, or even accessing your camera altogether. You might notice the app freezing, showing a loading screen, crashing after opening, or failing to connect to your feeder even though the camera is powered on. In many situations, the problem isn't with the camera, it's caused by the app, your phone, or a temporary connection issue. Before uninstalling everything or resetting your feeder, there are a few simple things you should check first. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can try to get your SmartBird Feeder camera app working again. 1. Force close the app and open it again. 2. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection. 3. Update the app to the latest available version. 4. Sign out of your account, then sign back in. 5. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app if needed. 6. Restart your phone and test the live view again.